Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. How are you today? Hope you're doing good. Everything's good on here. Uh-oh, freezing a little bit there. Today is 15-second free leads. How the heck do you get 15-second free leads? This is going to be awesome for you. I've got a training for you. It's going to be the top link for you, and it's going to cost you $1 to learn exactly how to get 800,000 leads. No kidding. In the next 28 days, these guys have generated 800,000 leads. It's insane. So what you want to do is stick around to the end because I got something special for you. But what I want to do is I want to go through 5 top reasons why businesses need to get on TikTok. I'm just getting started on it, so I'm going through the same training as you. I am not a pro by any means. I'm just learning it, but wow, is it phenomenal what's happening. And I'll give you an update in a couple of days once I've got some more stats going on. But just this is incredible what's going on with it. Okay, so let's get into it. Why TikTok? Video is key. We know that. Why am I here on YouTube? Because video works. Video is so key. You need to get over your fear. There's 1.8 billion users on TikTok already. Like, it's crazy. It's growing so fast. Like, it's amazing. So you can go on there and do kind of anything and get over your fear of being on camera because it's just a little kind of snip, and it's kind of fun to be goofy. Like, it's just a fun platform to do. So you don't have to be really serious. You don't have to talk if you don't want to. It's just about being you, just getting used to being in front of on camera. And like I said, get thousands and thousands of leads in the next 28 days and learn, basically learn the lazy man's way to get leads. So if you like videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's get into the 5 top reasons why you need to basically get your business on TikTok. So number 1, number of people, like I said, guys, there's like 1.8 billion people on there, I think now, or 1.5 billion. It's like everybody's on there, and it's crazy. Like this is last year's numbers, so I don't even know what it is. So 1 in 8 people have adopted the platform. People are going on there. It's entertaining. My 7-year-old just loves to just watch TikTok videos. It just loves it, right? So how do you find your audience on TikTok? You just go through the profiles of people that you're interacting with, and you'll start seeing who's out there, right? So it's pretty easy to see the profiles. Just remember, just because you find something interesting doesn't mean your target audience will find something interesting. So you should be looking for it to find content that your target audience is looking for. So you want to play around with it and just kind of get what's going on. But what you want to do is you grab the training below, because it's only $1 and it'll show you exactly what 4 guys have done to generate massive business on TikTok. Number 2, users aren't passive. So the people engage on TikTok more than anything. Like it's a very very engaging platform, right? What else is there? Number 3, attention is easy to capture. You just go through, perhaps the most valuable feature of TikTok is the presentation of the content. Content is presented in a full screen format, which means there's no other distractions. It's just your content, which is really cool. And I think that's why my daughter loves it, because there's nothing to distract her to click on. It's just like you watch the content, right? No, it's amazing. I'm sure at some point they're going to monetize it with a lot of ads and stuff like that. But right now it's wide open. Capturing users' attention on TikTok. Now, you're guaranteed users' full attention for a split second. So what you do right at the beginning, you need to learn. That's why you want to grab this training down below, because you want to learn exactly what to do at the very beginning. Okay, someone else is already doing it. So, man, like big companies like big products or brands like Family Feud, Will Smith, Walmart, Chipotle, NBA. All these people are already using TikTok. Like they're like, this is happening, guys. Like TikTok is basically happening. Guess Sephora, HP join in, and while here's some stats for you. While 89% of marketers are adding Facebook to their social media marketing plans for 2020, only 4% are adding TikTok according to 2019. So we want to make sure that you are getting out there in front of so many people, right? So you got to get on there. What else is it? Number 5, it's just fun. It's like you're gonna start playing around with it, and this is how you're really gonna get over your fear. I don't say don't stop doing your Facebook, and don't stop doing your whatever you're doing, your YouTube and all this kind of stuff. You want to make sure you're still doing that, but you also want to break the ice and get used to doing video. So this is just going to be something that you're going to add to it, and that's why this training is so important. Like, Go through it. It's going to cost you $1 to go through it, and you will see exactly what these 4 guys are doing to bring a ton of business. And who knows, this might be your breakthrough. Well, if you apply it, I'm sure it will be one of your breakthrough methods of getting free leads constantly, right? So definitely you want to check it out below. Now, let me just, so summary. Getting your brand on TikTok does not have to be difficult, but at some point it's going to have to be a must. And let 2020 be the year you dominate TikTok and get ahead of the game. So I want you definitely to check out the link below, and you want to grab that training. Now I have a special a little special thing for you. If you guys are interested in grabbing that training, I will give you some bonus attraction marketing tutorials, or basically some bonus training if you choose to do that, because I think it's really important that we get on TikTok, and people need to be there's so many trends and following, and I know a lot of people are going, no, it's just a trend, it's just a trend. Well, people said that about Facebook, people said that about Twitter, people said that about Snapchat. It could be just a trend, but could that trend not last for 3, 5, 7 years, and you're going to have your business generating leads for those 3 to 5, 7 years while that trend is happening, waiting for other stuff to go on? Like, I mean, it doesn't take a lot of extra time in order to do it, especially when you're in business now in the information era. You really need to basically adopt new social media platforms as they come up, and sort of see if they're going to work for you, and kind of like learn, because there's always going to be the pioneers, right? There's going to be people, the marketers, the minute something comes up, they're going to be like, I'm going to try that. They're going to come back and they're going to train people like, look at the success I had. So you always want to sort of be looking for training on new platforms, and seeing if like something like TikTok is for you. You want to be trend following this kind of thing, and see if it's the right thing. There's so many things on there. There's funny TikTok videos, there's TikTok memes, there's best TikTok, there's video TikToks, there's video TikTok competitions, there's dance competition challenges, guys. There's dance contests, dance challenges. There's even like people like showing you all the dance moves, spread the bling, lift your arms up, how to do footwork, all these kind of things. There's so many cool things on TikTok that you can just kind of get lost in it. Very much like Instagram, except it's all videos, right? So it's such a cool platform. So if you're trying to get your brand out there more, and you want more leads, because don't just think it's just kids on there, because it's not. There's a ton of business people on there, and there's a lot of people that are moving over from Facebook, that moved to Instagram. Now they're moving on to TikTok because it's just fun to watch, right? It's entertainment. It's like you can spend like 20, 30 minutes just scrolling through. Now, if you can catch someone's attention and connect with them, right? That's just another way for them to follow up, especially if it's your target market. So you got to you need to know your target market. So you do need to have some training on that. And that's why I want to give you the bonuses if you want to take this $1 course on TikTok. So that's what I have for you today, guys. Basically 15-second free leads. And why I call it 15-second free leads is that your video on TikTok is 15 seconds long. I think it's anywhere from 7 to 15 seconds is the time on it. And you can string 4 of them together to make a whole minute, I believe. I'm still learning. Like I said, guys, I'm with you right here. We're on the same page. We're learning this together. I just like to be an early adopter, and I'm not even that early, Like last year when it was out there, I was like, another thing to learn. It's like, do I really want to look at TikTok? Is it going to be something that's going to be viable for my business? It's a bunch of kids, it's made for the karaoke crew kind of thing, and as I've been watching, sort of watching people do this and watching, and then all of a sudden, like, oh, that person's going on TikTok. What are they doing? That's interesting. And then that person's going on TikTok. And then watching my 7-year-old, watching TikTok, learning the TikTok dance moves, and watching the TikTok dance challenges, all these kind of things. I'm going, okay, there's marketers that are monetizing this. They've figured out how to do it. So that's why this training is so important. So go down below, click the link, grab the $1 training for your TikTok. And then once you get that, just message me and I will set you up with another a little membership site where you will get access to a ton of bonuses on attraction bonuses. My bonus package is usually worth about $3,000, so it's not little stuff. These are courses that I paid, anywhere from $197 to $300 for, and I've put them into a back office where I can let people have access to them, but through membership only. I don't just put them out free, that kind of thing. All right, guys, remember, hey, hit the subscribe button right now. If you haven't done it already, hit subscribe, hit notify, put a comment below like, hey, Glenn, I'm doing the one, I want the 15-second free leads, and I will see you later. All right, guys, bye. Oh, I got to find my finish button. All right, guys, cheers.